I just got this in, looking forward to really using it. Came from Amazon, and it should be a much longer and easier way of removing my GoPro from the mount. This is the kind of mount I usually use. And you know that when your hands get sweaty or hot or slippery, it's very difficult to turn this sometimes once you've gotten it very, very tight. You do have the tool, but you know, it's still much easier just to twist it with your hand. And sometimes, you know, your hand just gets slippery or whatever, or it gets really tight for whatever reason, you can't take it off. So I've been looking for something to replace that so that I don't have that issue of putting it on and taking it off. So I ended up purchasing this item. Kind of expensive, $17. It took me a while to buy it just for the fact that it was that expensive compared to getting these for, you know, maybe 50 cents, $1 on eBay. Nice. I have some pictures at the end so you get a close-up look. Nice, big, twisty, easy to hold end or handle. Oh, and it doesn't have the end here. I don't like this either. I know this is plastic, so there's nothing you can do, but on the metal ones, I like that it goes straight through. For the simple fact, because I've lost these come out sometimes, and I have no idea where it went, and if I don't have an extra one, I'm done for the day. This thing here I'm talking about, this comes out. But this, you don't need that because it's not there. Awesome. Cool. I like it a lot. So let's just do a comparison how to each other.
I'm not leaving, I'm just going to pick up. Oh, I'm so sorry.
So let's look at it. Standard one, much longer. Wow, much longer. So the actual handle, the screw is the same size as you can see, because it has to fit the same mount. But much longer so that you can get to it. You can get to the outer part of the camera. That's another thing, you know, you're trying to work and the camera's in the way because it's mounted. That's cool. And then when it comes to these things, I'm going to say they're about the same height. And then the bottom, yeah, about the same circumference on the bottom. Pretty light, both of them. Let's do a measurement. So the standard one is 2 inches. Wow. This is going to be almost 2. Let me try to get exact number here. 2 3/8. A little bit over 2 3/8. Cool. This thing is really long, so this is about, let me just start at number 1. Let me do it at 2 so it's easy to look at. So that's 1 3/8 inches. Almost 1.5. Just past 3/8. I'm gonna call it 3/8. 1 3/8 inches wide, like this, and it's pretty wide too, 3/8 inch. Okay, let's do some weighing. 1.5. 1.0 ounces. Pretty light. Let's do it in comparison to the plastic one. I think the plastic one should be lighter. Yeah, much lighter. Not much though. About 4 ounce difference. So it's not gonna make that much of a significant difference on the actual stand or mount that you use. So let me set up the way I usually set it up. So this is my mount, okay, with the magnet on the bottom. I've done a video on the magnet itself, very strong. And I've done a video on this power supply, 10,000 mAh battery supply, power supply. So this is how I will be using it. And oh my goodness, it's gonna be so much better to use. So you know what, let me show you the camera on with this, the old thing, the old mount. So as you can see, it's very difficult to remove. I guess I also have a little bit longer one, and probably sticks out to about here. This is the sound wave. This is what I use to keep the sound down so we don't get wind noise. I think it's called the sound wave. I did a video on that also. So this thing here is kind of, as you can see, it's very difficult to work with and everything. I always, because I'm always in and out of the battery area and the, for the memory and for the battery, I don't put it on this side, so it's easier to work with and I can get to the door with no problems whatsoever. So now let's try it with the new mount. So as you can see, it's much easier to get to remove the camera, put on the camera, remove it, and tighten it up. Very easy. Wow, so much easier. Look at that. I don't need the actual tool, which makes life a lot easier. I like it. This is definitely a keeper. I think it's one of those things that if you use your GoPro a lot, it might be something you may consider. I think so. It's just my opinion. I'm an amateur guy, regular person, just likes gadgets. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope the video helps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
SEASKY 1/40 Universal Female Tripod Mount Adapter, all aluminum alloy with tool-free thumb screw accessories for GoPro Hero 10987 DJI Osmo Action 2 Sports Camera. Cost $17.99. Purchased on Amazon. Screen size 2 inches. Camcorder type action camera. Brand SEASKY. Color metal gray. Item weight 37 grams. Are batteries included? No. About this item. 1/4 screw to standard, compatible all sports cameras. GoPro Hero 10987 and DJI Osmo Action 2/1. All aluminum alloy, aluminum, all aluminum alloy, lighter and more reliable. Tool-free. This is a truly tool-free design, no need to use anything else. Easily lock your camera, don't let those bad products ruin your video plan. Excellent design, SEASKY is more reliable at any time, anywhere. This is art, not only a product, but also an art, just like first love. More useful thing, please refer to SEASKY store. This item SEASKY 1/4 universal female tripod mount adapter, all aluminum alloy with tool-free thumb screw accessories for GoPro Hero 10987 DJI Osmo Action 2 sports camera. Products description: SEASKY all aluminum alloy 1/4 universal female mount adapter with tool-free thumb screw for action camera. A very useful and reliable accessory fit for all GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and DJI Osmo Action 1 2.